Changing batteries for smoke detectors, thermostats, and smart door locks. Smart home technology and safety devices are great, but they may occasionally need new batteries. Here's a quick step-by-step guide for replacing batteries in your smoke detectors, home thermostats, and smart door locks. For smoke detectors, most common household smoke detectors are battery-operated or have a backup battery in case of power failure. Here's how to change the battery. 1. Locate the smoke detector. It's usually mounted on the ceiling or high on a wall. For Progress residential residents, if the smoke detector is higher than 8 feet above the floor, we'll switch the batteries for you. Just request maintenance online and we'll take care of it as soon as possible. 2. Look for a battery compartment. Depending on the type of smoke detector, this may require pressing a latch or removing a small cover. If you don't see a battery compartment, you'll need to remove the detector from the wall or ceiling by twisting it counterclockwise or slide it off its mounting bracket. 3. Replace the battery. Most smoke detectors use a 9-volt battery or AA batteries. Make sure the positive and negative terminals are aligned correctly. 4. Close the battery compartment. Snap the cover back in place and reattach the detector by twisting or sliding it back onto the mounting bracket. 5. Test the unit. Press and hold the test button until you hear a loud beep to confirm the new battery is working. Thermostats. Most digital thermostats have replaceable batteries that power the display and settings. If you live in a Progress residential home, follow these steps. 1. Turn off your HVAC system to help prevent any electrical issues. 2. Locate the battery compartment. It should be on the side of the thermostat or inside a small battery slot. 3. Replace the batteries. Thermostats commonly use AA or AAA batteries. Be sure to match the polarity correctly. 4. Turn the HVAC system back on to make sure the thermostat powers up and is working correctly. Smart door locks. It's important to track battery life, otherwise you may lose remote functionality of the lock. Most smart locks give a low battery warning via an app or flashing light. When it's time to change the batteries, here's how to do it. 1. Remove the battery cover. This is usually on the inside part of the door. The cover should slide off, similar to a remote control. 2. Take out the old batteries. Most smart locks use 4 AA batteries, though some may use a 9-volt or other types. 3. Insert the new batteries. Make sure they're positioned correctly, matching the plus and minus signs. 4. Reattach the battery cover. Secure it back in place. 5. Test the lock. Lock and unlock using the keypad, key, or app to ensure it's functioning properly. We recommend using high-quality alkaline batteries, not rechargeable, for best performance.